In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Exness to Binance safely and correctly. We'll start on Binance so you have the correct deposit details ready before sending anything. Sign into your Binance account, then go to Wallet, choose Deposit, and select the cryptocurrency you plan to receive, like USDT or BTC. This brings up your deposit options. Here's the crucial part. Select the correct network for that coin. For example, if you're depositing USDT and you choose TRC20 on Binance, you must also use TRC20 on the sending side later. Different networks have different fees and speeds, and a mismatch can result in a failed or lost transfer. Once you've picked the coin and network, Binance will generate a wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Avoid typing it manually. A good habit is to verify the first and last few characters to make sure it was copied correctly. Now switch over to Exness and log into your account. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Binance, such as USDT or BTC, as your withdrawal method. This keeps everything consistent from the start and helps prevent network errors later on. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw from Exness. Paste the Binance wallet address you copied a moment ago into the recipient field. Double-check that the network you select in Exness exactly matches the network you selected in Binance. If Binance shows USDT on TRC20, then choose USDT on TRC20 in Exness as well. Take a moment to review fees and minimums, and keep in mind that the network fee is separate from any platform fees. If this is your first time or the amount is large, consider starting with a small test amount to build confidence. When everything looks correct, review all the details one more time: the coin, the network, the wallet address, and the amount. Confirm the transaction in Exness. After you submit, you'll see it listed in your Exness transaction history. Processing times can vary depending on the network you used. Some networks confirm faster and cost less, while others may take longer. While you wait, open your Binance deposit history to monitor incoming funds. Binance will show pending confirmations if the transaction is on the way. Once enough confirmations are received, the funds will appear in your wallet balance. If your platform provides a transaction ID, you can use it to track the status on a blockchain explorer for added peace of mind. That's it. By matching the coin and network, using the correct Binance address, and double-checking before you send, you'll complete a smooth transfer from Exness to Binance.